guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Maddie. Thank you so much for joining. Today I have my September pop in a box. Guys, this is freaking huge. Huge. I do the one Funko a month subscription, which is $14.95. If you guys wanted to sign up, I will leave a coupon code and a link down below. It'll save you some money off your first purchase. And I have to say, this is huge. So I'm gonna say this is either like a movie moment or like those 18 or 10-inch figures that they have. But I only pay $14.95. Guys, that is a steal. I am freaking out. I cannot wait to get in here. I have just cut the tape. I've not looked inside or anything. So you guys are going to be getting my first reaction. I am so excited. I will give you a quick little background about the company. It is a Funko Pop subscription service. So a little bit of Funko gets delivered right to your door every single month. They have a 3, a 6, and a 12-month subscription, ranging from 14, I think, all the way to like, I want to say 70-ish bucks. I could be completely wrong. I will leave it somewhere here on the screen. And what you basically do is you can pick a different subscription. So I am part of the Disney subscription, which means I can get Disney affiliated, but they also have a really cool program on their website, which basically you can thumbs up or thumbs down every single pop on their website. I'm pretty sure they have over like 7,000 to 10,000 pops, always having new releases every single, I'm gonna say week almost. So basically what I do is I log in and I go through all of their new pops. I thumbs up or thumbs down things that I want, things that I don't want, or I also put a little trophy which indicates that I already have it in my collection, so you won't be sent duplicates. I think that's pretty cool. Everything you thumbs up will be put in like a shopping cart where they can then pick for you what you would like and send it to you that month, or everything that you have thumbs down they will put in a blacklisted section, so you will not be sent those. And I'm pretty sure everything that you put a little trophy will be indicating that it's in your collection, so you won't get duplicates, which is pretty awesome. So with that being said, let's get into this box because I am so excited. Okay, so on my channel here, I give you guys the first look. And I know right now all we see is paper. So I'm gonna remove the paper and you guys can look, okay? Oh, there's a bunch. Okay, there we go. What do we see? I'm gonna cry. Sorry guys, I'm literally crying. Oh my god. I had to give myself a second so I wouldn't cry on camera, but guys, this is freaking huge. This is Jack Skellington with Zero, and he's throwing the rib bone. I don't know if you can see because the glare from the two lights, but I will give you guys a close-up. But apparently this is a 10-inch figure. There's Sandy Claus, Sally sewing, oh my god, Mayor, Jack with like his face, and then Jack Skellington with Zero, which is 10 inches from this collection. Oh my flipping gosh. He's so beautiful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So I don't know if you guys can see, he has his rib bone right there that he's throwing for Zero in the movie. Like, look at the flippin' detail. There's him and Zero on the side. Here's everyone in this collection. Guys, I paid $14.95 for this. What? I cannot believe this. This is my first 10-inch pop, and I'm so happy that it's Jack and Zero. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. I'm an inbox collector, so unfortunately I won't be able to take him out for you guys. I might change my mind with this and have him on my desk, but oh my god, I can't get over it, guys. This is incredible. Like, look at him right there. thank you guys so much for watching this video and unboxing Pop in a Box with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you aren't already, click that subscribe button before you leave, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!